Lovelies, and welcome back again to the channel. In today's video I'll be using Afro Kinky Bulk Premium 100% human hair to twist my hair. This hair is super versatile. It is perfect for braiding, twisting, dreadlocks, or any style you want. The texture is incredibly soft and blends seamlessly with natural hair, giving you a realistic look and feel. I started by straightening out the extension and getting my tools ready. All you need is a jam and a comb. Because I'm working with natural hair, I want to control frizz and keep the style neat. I will section my hair and pre-braid each section, so this is going to make the braiding process much easier and less stressful. My hair is thick and blends perfectly with the extension, so pre-braiding will help me work in stages so I don't have to braid everything in one go. Alright, here is where the fun begins. Using my tail comb, I part the sections and clip the other hair out of the way. To start, I group the hair from the root using a basic braid method and then transitioning into a twist. This method is easy and it works well for me, especially when braiding the back of the head. The extension was a joy to work with. Unlike others that I've used that shed and tangle easily, this one stayed neat. The texture matched my hair so well, making twisting effortless. For my hair, I used 3.5 packs, and for my daughter's hair, I used 1.5 pack. So if you want to style both your hair and your child's, 5 packs should be enough. It is affordable, easy to use, and great for home styling. So watch out for my next video where I would be showing how I used the 1.5 pack on my daughter. All right, everyone, this is the final hair right here. So I'm adding leave-in conditioner just to tame it and to also make it wet, kind of. And I'm also applying again leave-in conditioner for moisture. Also added coil marks to give it a glossy shine. Honestly, lovelies, this is so cute. Also went ahead to give it a little trimming at the tips just to make sure everything comes out straight and nice. And the final result, full bouncy beautiful twisted braids with plenty of volume, just like I want it. So you can choose to do smaller or larger twists depending on your preference, but I think this is just so good for me. I love it this way. So also style the braids in a few different styles: up bun, loose and free, and the styles are awesome. A big shout out to Elfinhair for sponsoring us, and I've left the link of this hair on the video description. I hope you enjoyed this braiding tutorial using Afro Kinky Bulk Premium 100% woman hair. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you have not. Thank you so much for watching. Until I see you again next time, remain blessed.